Am I dead meat? No, but I was. I was drowning in food addiction, stuck in pain, and feeling completely hopeless. I was exhausted, unhealthy, and felt so much older than I was. Moving and keeping up with life was hard. I had 4-year-old twins and a 2-year-old, and I had to step up my game fast. I wanted to run, play, and make memories with them, but my size and my health was holding me back from being the best mom that I could be. So I made a bold move. I had VSG surgery in 2015, but the truth is, that was just a tool. It didn't fix my relationship with food. It didn't build a strong body, and it didn't fix my mindset. My real success came from fueling my body with a meat-based diet, transforming my mindset, and staying consistent for over a decade. Once I focused on me as my primary nourishment, everything changed. I finally felt full and satisfied, and the food noise was gone. My mental health skyrocketed. I felt incredible mental clarity, like a fog had been lifted. For the first time in a long time, I felt strong and like I could take on the world. I was finally able to recognize how my negative self-talk and my fears and how my old patterns were holding me back. With a clear mind, I could finally see things for what they were and start shifting my mindset, building true mental strength from the inside out. The best part is I've maintained the 130-pound weight loss while gaining strength, energy, and confidence. So welcome to Meet Mindset with Dee. This is a vibrant, supportive space for women over 40 who are ready to take control of their health, build strength, and live their best lives. We'll be diving into real talk about weight loss and mindset, where I'll be starting a journaling series where we will manifest and motivate ourselves on this journey. So keep your eye out for the next video. Look, I've been through every stage of the journey. Being at rock bottom, starting out, trying to figure it all out until I found what works best for me. So if you're just starting out, I've got you. I'll be sharing meal ideas, helpful tips, and mindset shifts that got me to where I am today, because I remember exactly what it was like in the beginning. We'll also be focusing on strength training and building muscle for longevity. I'll be exploring different exercise options to find what we truly love, including trying new classes, going on adventures, and sharing my at-home workouts. I'll also be sharing inspiring vlogs that show you a day in the life of me pursuing fitness over 40 and going on adventures, traveling, and really just celebrating my life after 130-pound weight loss. I'll show you how this journey has transformed my life overall and how you can do the same. We'll discuss beauty, fashion, and confidence in this season of life. We'll explore ways to age well, thrive, and feel our absolute best as we move through midlife. This community is a judgment-free zone. Whether you've had weight loss surgery, you may be taking weight loss shots, or if you're doing this all natural, we are all chasing the same goal: to get healthy, build strength, and thrive. No matter where you started, you belong here. We're all in this together. So, what's next? In my next video, we'll be starting our journal series and setting some powerful intentions for our journey. So grab a journal and get ready. Are you ready to take control of your health and happiness? Grab my free Ketovore Kickstart Beginner's Guide that includes a 7-day meal plan for women over 40, 2 recipes, and some helpful tips to get you started. And don't forget to subscribe. This is the beginning of a new adventure. We're moving forward, getting stronger, living our truth together. See you on the next one.